I'm sure you've heard the quote, failing to plan is planning to fail. This is no different when it comes to anger management. Now that you've learned the different anger management techniques, we are going to fine-tune an anger control plan. This will be your go-to guide for when you get angry. Make sure you download the PDF that goes along with this module so you can create your personal plan. Let's get started. Up until this point, you have been focusing on how to monitor your anger and identify the events that trigger your anger, as well as the physical, behavioral, emotional, and cognitive cues associated with each event. You have also learned several strategies that can be utilized for de-escalation. It is important that you create an anger control plan that is specific to what you find to be helpful for yourself. It is best to have an anger control plan pre-written so that when you feel your anger levels rising, you have a resource to quickly look at in order to help you take appropriate action steps to calm yourself down. You can look at the PDF that goes along with this module to create your own personal anger plan. Let's go through this example together, and then you can create your own plan based on your triggers and preferred anger management techniques. So let's use an example of the trigger being that your spouse leaves dishes in the sink. Well, you know that as soon as you see that, you're going to get angry, and maybe your set plan could be to first take a time out and then to use the conflict resolution model to communicate with your spouse. Maybe another trigger for you is when your boss is disrespectful at work. Your plan could be to talk it out with a trusted friend. And then maybe another trigger is that your friend cancels plans last minute. Maybe the plan can be to use thought stopping and then journal about your feelings. So you really want to find those triggers that are specific to you that bring your anger above a level 3 on the anger meter. And then you also want to find the anger management techniques that work best for you or that work best specifically for that situation.